finished my breakfast, chilled a little bit, watched some Netflix, and now I'm just gonna get ready. I think I'm gonna go for a walk, just a short walk just before lunch, just to get some movement in me. If I get some movement in, some fresh air, I'm just gonna feel a bit more energetic, because I know that if I lay down in bed all day, you know, it's just not going to be good. I'm just going to be tired.
Lost when you look into my brown eyes. See my lips always commit you switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise. So why don't you stand up, baby? Tell me, do you want me on top? So let me show you. I don't need to back it up. Don't wanna hold you.
Now that I wash my face and my top is wet, okay, I'm going to put my moisturiser. The number 7.
About the way your body twisting, make me lose control in this thing, and it's happy because I'm thinking of us. Don't go to me under the bus, under respect, I'm under your love. I don't know why nobody want me. You say my baby, you take me back, put your hands in my goodie bag. If I do you back, I beg you make you know to me.
Okay, so I'm all dressed. I'm wearing some leggings. You know, you gotta be comfortable. And then I'm wearing this little cute jumper. What is this? Butterfly, so cute. And then just fluffy teddy coat. It's quite cold today, so. I've just finished eating my lunch, and I just thought I'd dedicate an hour or so to do some Spanish work. Now it is a Friday, so I don't want to be studying that much. So for anyone that doesn't know, I am meant to be on my year abroad. I'm actually meant to be in Barcelona right now, but obviously due to COVID that's not possible, and I am here in the UK in lockdown. It's just amazing. It can't get any better. So anyways, so the university has organised some activities for our students that haven't managed to go abroad, to kind of practice our Spanish, just practice any other work that we've done obviously throughout the years, just so that we don't forget any Spanish and we keep on practicing. So I'm just going to do a little bit of that, and then I'm going to have a shower, wash my hair, and probably put some makeup on. Okay, so I finished showering, so now I'm gonna put some makeup on, nothing too extreme. I just, you know, thought it's a Friday, I just want to look cute, I don't want to feel depressed. But again, I'm gonna moisturize, but this time I'm gonna put some tanning drops just to give the color to my face. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some concealer.
Taste of your lips is
So I'm on my second walk of the day and it's currently 4:30. Oh, I'm out of breath. Honestly, there's so many hills around here. I was thinking about how not that many people enjoy walking, but obviously during lockdown is our only way to obviously get out, enjoy the nature, wherever. The one thing which I usually do is I 99% of the time listen to music. It just puts me in a really good mood. It just distracts you from everything else going on. Sometimes I also listen to podcasts or anything that, I don't know, just find interesting. So I think tonight we're gonna have a few cheeky drinks. So I'm gonna go to Sainsbury's to get some drink. I've had one drink in the whole of October and I'm excited, so I'll get a few drinks. We'll probably get a takeaway, so I'm excited for that as well.
If it does, let it be. If it does, let it be. Just let me. Taste of your lips is still fresh. The smell of your scent. How could I forget your words? How they cut me to shreds. To tell you the truth, every piece is for you. I don't want to be just a memory.
Well, it's 10:30 now and I've realised that I completely forgot to film my takeaway, my drinks, basically the most exciting part of the evening. But yeah, anyways, I decided to go back to bed because, you know, that's the best option. So I got myself a cup of hot white chocolate. This is amazing, so yummy. Gonna have a bit of this and then I'll have a few snacks. And I am currently watching Handmaid's Tale on Amazon and it is amazing. So I'm gonna sit down, watch that, and yeah, that's obviously my day complete. I try to be as productive as possible today. Obviously I don't have a lot to do since I am not working anymore. I don't have uni work to do. I'm very limited, but you know, I try to do as much as I can, get myself out. I hope that you can be as productive as possible this lockdown. We've obviously been there before, so maybe try and see what worked for you in the first lockdown, what didn't, and try to create a routine as much as possible. I find that making routines is just the best way to get anything done, to feel accomplished throughout the day and to not feel lazy. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed my little productive quarantine vlog. I hope I at least gave some tips to some of you to how to organise your day, how to be a little bit more productive. You know what, we can do it again. We've done it before, so we've got this. Anyways, I love you all and I will see you all in my next video.